Show the components to be installed. Insert the caster into the base. Attach the pole to the base. Mount the main machine onto the pole and twist it until secure. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the handle holder. Install the face handle. Install the body handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding holder in turn. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. Body handpiece. Parameter settings. Choose manual on the screen, and then select body. Recommended working time, 15 minutes. Recommended frequency, 1 MHz plus 3 MHz. Recommended 1 MHz pulse, 6. Recommended 1 MHz energy level, 3. Recommended 3 MHz pulse, 6. Recommended 3 MHz energy level, 3. Tap the start button to begin. Tap the pause button to stop. Face handpiece. Parameter settings. Choose manual on the screen, and then select face. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended frequency, 3 MHz plus 10 MHz. Recommended 3 MHz pulse, 5. Recommended 3 MHz energy level, 3. Recommended 10 MHz pulse, 5. Recommended 10 MHz energy level, 3. Tap the start button to begin. Tap the pause button to stop. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.